Hey everybody, how's it going tonight? I wanted to let you know a little something that really is near and dear to my heart, and that's the safety of all people out there. I don't care if you're 16 and driving for the first time. I don't care if you're 96 and have driven for a long time. But right now I want to try to make something apparent that these headlights nowadays, with these polycarbonates, cheaper made, they're trying to make the most buck that they can out of a vehicle. So, they're cutting costs on things, doing whatever they do. No more glass on our headlights, and what happens is the oxidation sets into these polycarbonates and it breaks them down and they start to become foggy. They get scratched easier, and when that happens they start to get that foggy tint on them. And what I do is I come along and I see this, and I've been known to leave my card on a few cars, and I've tried to just do this to help people because I got two kids on the road right now, 16 and 15, and I want them to be safe, and I want people in general to be safe. And that means when you're driving at night, the more you see, the more likely you are not to have an incident or an accident or see something on the road that you need to get away from. So what I do is I take these and I rejuvenate your headlights to a clear lens again. Do I always get a 99 to 100% clear lens again? No, that's sometimes not possible. But what I do is I can guarantee you, where some people don't even see their headlights anymore or see the bulb inside their headlights, they'll see that bulb, and therefore for a fact that that's rejuvenated enough that you're going to get a better quality of a driving experience after the sun goes down. So what I want to do now is I want to go ahead and clear out these headlights and show you that your headlights too, even when they're as bad as these are, I can bring them back to where you're going to be amazed. So I appreciate you watching this, and here we go. Hi, I'm Brad Doughman. I'd like to be able to help you get your headlights back to where they need to be when you're going down the road in the middle of the night. You got your family in your car, you got your grandma in your car. I don't care who you got in your car. It's best to be able to see the road. It's best to be able to see in the ditches, and it's best to be able to see that deer in the headlights when he's looking at you, so that way you can be safe. What I do is I bring your headlights from this right here. This is a newer vehicle. Polycarbonates have degraded, everything just chewed up, horrible. And I bring them to this. So whatever you guys think, which do you want to be in? this or this, and all I'm going to do is charge you the same price as it's going to cost you to go buy that little box set that you're going to have to sweat, bust your butt, and do your own headlights when you may not even do it right. 35 bucks. That's how I get it done. My phone number, 620-755-0448. I can do these anytime, anywhere. Just give me a call. I'd love to help you.